Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something super exciting happening. It's a raised bed project. I love a good raised bed project, but it's not for me today. It's for my niece Ava. You remember Ava? She's my niece who made her home out of the shed or shop. I gave y'all she gave y'all the tour on my channel. Anyway, a super cute house. And she has decided, since she's grown now and living on her own, and she likes to cook for her friends and entertain, occasionally she would like to go out and be able to pick some of her own produce in order to prepare it for her friends. So she said, I'd like to have maybe, some peppers or maybe a tomato plant or something. Patty, do you think maybe you can help me with it? And I said, sure, that's right up my alley. That's what I want to do. So this is what we're here doing today. I knew Ava was really serious about her garden project when she got her daddy in on the deal. She got him to build her a raised bed, and it's actually a raised bed. It's like, I don't know how tall it is, but let me turn it around and show you what her daddy built for her. This is her raised bed. It is probably 3 feet tall, 1.5 feet deep, like that. And then how deep is the soil?
20 inches.
20 inches.
Deep that way. Is it 1.5 feet deep?
Well, we don't really know what the dimensions are, but this is it. And the soil, he put this black fabric stuff that water can get through, but it'll kind of help protect the wood. And then we just put this cardboard in the bottom to just kind of fill it up. And we're gonna go through her yard and find some sticks to add to the bottom of it, because y'all know raised bed soil is expensive. So we're gonna try to do this in an economical way. Okay, we just went around in the yard and gathered some sticks and added those to the bottom of the bed as filler. And now we're gonna start adding some soil. This soil is some that they already had, so we're just gonna put it to kind of cover up these sticks, and then we'll add the better soil. So here we go. My sugar's getting low. I don't have the strength. Looking good. You're doing a good job, Joe. We just filled the bed with the soil. It's at a good level. It'll still sink some, but oh my gosh, look at the weather. Like, I don't know, it's looking pretty ominous. The wind was just blowing really hard. All right, let's get it in gear, girls. We have 2 sweet bell peppers. This is a red bell pepper.
You want me to be?
No, well, I'm just going to try to space them out first. That's the red. These are two jalapeno peppers. I thought we could do a tomato on that end and a tomato on that end. So the 2 jalapenos here. Another sweet bell pepper. Both of those are.
Yeah, these green, yeah.
It's a little cherry tomato. Sweet 100. These are little cucumber plants, and it's funny because if y'all know, I started a compost pile at my house, started a little composting system using garbage cans and stuff. Well, this year was the first year that I actually used my compost. So I spread my compost around in a lot of different garden beds and a couple of my little container beds and stuff. And I put some zinnia seeds out in it. And like the next day, I saw these little sprouts coming up, and I was like, oh my gosh, those zinnia seeds are sure coming up quick. Not a zinnia seed at all. Cucumbers. I had put cucumbers in that composting system last year all throughout the summer. And I guess it takes a minute for cucumber seeds to break down. I'm going to have cucumbers all over the place. Anyway, I dug up a couple of them and brought them to Ava. I don't know if they'll do or not, but we're going to give them a go. I bet we do one right here. And right here. And then you can put the squash seeds up there somewhere.
Do I like do all of these?
I would just do like maybe 3 in a hole.
Poke your finger and... How do I remember where that is?
You
don't. They'll pop up a little bit.
Yeah, they'll pop up. Now this, I don't know if these little cucumbers are gonna take root, but they're like the little seedlings at my house. They will.
How many? Like, okay, I did 3 in a hole. What? Do I do another hole and put another 3, or I did one right there?
Yeah, you can do another one right here. Like you want a couple more. You can do one like right here.
Like another 3?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah. And you reckon 3 plants will be enough for you? You want to do another right here?
I'll do whatever.
I mean, they get pretty big, so I don't know if you'd really have enough room for another one.
Got a lot of stuff. Feel like.
All right, well, I hope it'll all make. I don't know about this one right here, but
Do I keep this?
yeah, just fold it up. And you can put it like in a Ziploc bag in your... Okay, Ava, this is the beginning of your gardening journey. How does it feel?
Feels wonderful.
I'm just ready for those peppers to come in.
Me too. I can't wait to see how they all grow. Pink in it or something.
Ooh, wow. Just in the nick of time, we finished this project. All right, that'll do. It's a wrap.